brainstorm before we dive into the topic. Do you have pets? No? Some of you may have. Okay. Now, question for you. What traits would you desire in a pet? What could you do to ensure that your pet would possess these traits? So here is the example of the dogs, okay? How do you think? Now, please discuss in pairs. I will give you like 1 minute. Riley, you may join Sarah. Come on. No. Please join Sarah and discuss in pairs. What traits would you desire in your pet if you have dog or cat or other pet? And what could you do to ensure your pet possess the trait? Do you have pet, Tyrick? No?
All right, you want to know something? I'm about to play it. I know something. I know something that will.
Who can share about the traits? Let's first of all identify what is trait. Riley, how do you understand the word trait?
Wait.
Who can describe what is trait?
Like physical,
trait is something
like
you can pass
physical or genetical things that can be inherited from a parent.
Yes. Now, good. Now, how do you understand pure breeding?
Bred to specifically have certain traits, right?
Yes, they have. So this, if we say purebred, they inherit the same traits over the generation. So their parents, offsprings, they have same genetic traits, okay? We call them, so breeders, they use genetic probability, okay? They look into the genetic probability to have this trait. So our today's topic is about genetics. We will look into the Mendel experiment. So Gregor Mendel is father of genetics, guys, who discovered these all genetic concepts, okay? And we will look his experiment with pea plants and law of segregation, law of independent assortment, and then Punnett square. Oh, I will give you some short guided notes with these key terms, since you guys, you don't want to take some notes. So
Thank you.
look at the key terms here. Okay. Please follow, highlight these terms while I'm explaining. Guys, Zainab, what can you see here? Here is the experiment, yes, of the Mendel. What he did, Mendel, he took the yellow pea plant, pure yellow, okay, cross it with pure green pea plant. What can you see? What is the outcome? All of them are yellow. Jahiri, what is heterozygous? Hetero means different. Yes, hetero means different. So that means you have different letters, one dominant gene allele, one recessive allele. So you will see one capital letter and next to it, one lowercase letter.
These days, scientists know how you inherit characteristics from your parents. They were able to calculate probabilities of having a specific yellow-seeded plant with a purebred green-seeded plant, and he got only yellow seeds. He called the yellow color trait the dominant one because it was expressed in all the new seeds. Depending on which type of allele meant.
Okay, guys, again, these are the alleles, different version of the same gene, okay? We call them alleles.
Found in Y, and the recessive green allele as a lowercase y.
Again, how we will transfer this information into the Punnett square. So this is heterozygous, okay? Heterozygous, first pea plant. You write each letter under each square. This is another plant. This is also another heterozygous. Write each letter. Now, make a combination cross of each of these letters, and you will see, how do we name this? Homozygous? Dominant. This one? Heterozygous. You see these two are similar, the same, 50% out of 100 and 25. So that,
For example, besides being yellow or green, peas may be
are you
round or
tired?
wrinkled. So we could have all these possible combinations. Round yellow peas, round green.
We will play a quiz game. For that, I need you guys to separate into 3 groups. Come on. Then first group, second group, and third group. I will give you some scratch papers. The question about the Punnett square will pop up on the screen, and you need to quickly write your answer. Don't tell your answer, okay? You just write the answer and show it to me. And if you were correctly, you answered correct, and you was the first, you get 3 points. The next group get 2 points, and the third group get 1 point. And then at the end, we will count your points, okay? Here is the Punnett square. What is the dominant trait?
No, we got
First, second,
I can't write that.
third. Yellow, good.
Yeah, it's natural. We have 2. We were second, Miss Aisha.
Okay, since you are the first, you will choose here. Which one? Like the bonus. If you were correct, I will give you plus 1.
Top right.
Top right? This one?
Yeah.
Minus.
I told you bottom left.
So it will be minus 1.
Wait, -5. Wait, what?
Okay, here is the Punnett square. What is the recessive trait? Right. What is your answer? Okay, 2, 3, 2, 1. Next. What is the probability that the offspring will have dominant trait? Write your answer. Show it to me. You are the first. 75, 75, 25, 75. Okay, good job. 75. So it will be here 3 points.
Why do we have 1? You got second.
You are the second? Okay.
No, second. Oh, wait. Miss Aisha, I wasn't ready. Right here. 25. I wasn't ready.
25?
We added up first. Oh, we had first. Put it on God.
25.
Wait, Miss Aisha, don't start. You can look.
Next. List all possible genotypes of the babies. Babies means offsprings. Which one? D. None. A.
It's A.
You get only full credit, guys. You were wrong. So 3 points. Next one. 1, 2, 1. Okay, you may write A, B, C, D. The trait that is masked or hidden in a genotype. A. 1, 2, 3. I mean, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Now it's your turn, guys, to choose. Which one
Left,
you want to choose?
left top.
Left top.
Why would you go with?
Okay, plus 1 point. And you have two more questions. What is the recessive trait? Show here. Blue, what's that?
Oh, wait.
C?
C, sorry. We was trying to give you the
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Miss! Yeah, we had it up first. Cause you just looking at him first. That's why he did all the bro, you cheating.
No, that's question 11. What is an organism physical appearance? How do we name it? Physical appearance. What is your answer? A. Yours? And your guys? D. 3 and 2. You get 0. And blank is a different form of a single gene. A? What's this? Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's the end. Let's count the points. First group. Guys, you are the winners. Individual work. You need to solve on your own, and then your peer will check, okay? This will be a minor grade. I will put your grades here. So please pay attention and look carefully, read carefully these 5 questions. I will give you like 5 minutes for this, and then we will do a peer grading.
But I think it's D. But he said it was D.
Absorbable expression. You can see.
Yeah.
You can see phenotype. The characteristics, physical characteristics. Abdil, did you? TT represents, yes, consisting 2 dominant alleles. These are 2 dominant alleles.
So this is number A.
TT, capital T, both of them, they are the dominant alleles. Dominant alleles. The absorbable expression means physical expression, guys, the one that you can see.
The observable expression of
Mm-hmm.
is it two
Which statement pertains due to Mendel law of segregation? Segregation, they are separate. Yes, 2 alleles, they are separate. You can have any kind of combination at the end, gamete. What technique did Mendel use to better understand inherited traits? Okay.
That was a year ago. And judging by how many times it was like, I didn't.
Yes, the Mendel law of segregation means they are separate. Okay.
I was laughing because I was looking at him trying to check if it's right.
Okay. So the absorbable expression. Absorbable means the one that you can see here. Okay. The physical expression, which is we call phenotype. Okay. Phenotype. What technique did Mendel use to better understand? Cross-pollinated. Yes, they are random. They are randomly could be distributed. Okay, randomly could be distributed. This is the 2 major laws of the. Check this paper. Check this paper. Jaden, you will check. Zainab. Sarah, you will check. Tyreek. Guys, come on. Give me your papers. What technique did Mendel use to better understand this inherited traits?
D.
D. D. The cross-pollinated male and female.
Except B.
B.
And which one pertain Mendel's law of independent assortment?
B.
Random distribution. Okay, I will